This video will show you how to create new vendors in Vast Online and how to make them available in the selected stores by using the corporate vendor maintenance. The vendor maintenance screen will store the information about all saved vendors, including company and purchasing information. The process consists in adding the vendor to the system and then use the corporate vendor maintenance to push down the vendor records to different store locations. Click in the Maintenance menu from the vertical toolbar. Select Vendors from the Purchasing header. To add a new vendor, click on the Add button. From the Vendor Details tab, assign a vendor number to the record. Once the number has been assigned, it cannot be changed. Enter the vendor's information on the fields such as name, address, and phone number. Vendor number and vendor name are mandatory fields. From the list to the right side, check the EDI vendor and transfer vendor box. Then, select the Purchase Order Information tab. Make sure that both Purchasing Vendor and Allow Back Orders checkbox are selected. Then click on the Save button. To update the Corporate Vendor Maintenance, click on the Corporate Vendor Maintenance tab under the Stores heading from the Maintenance menu. Search and highlight the desired vendor from the Available Vendors grid. You can select multiple vendors at the same time. Also, you can refine your search by entering the information on the field at the top of the window. To transfer the vendor to the selected vendor grid, click on the right-facing arrow. You can use the left-facing arrow to move the vendors back to the available vendors. Now, select the store location in which the selected vendor will be pushed down to. If you check a region or a district, all of the stores within will automatically be selected. To finish, click on the Save button and a confirmation box will display. If you require further assistance, contact the Vast Online support team. Thank you for watching.